Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting Treasures. Today we'll see how to create an inspirational bottle art which you can gift your family, friends or yourself. For this you will need two plastic bottles, spray paint can, wrapping paper, topics to stick on the bottle, printed out and double sticking tape. I have this old board game set which I'll be taking apart to fix the bottles. You can alternatively use a strong cardboard or plastic or wood. I've spray painted over the neck and thread of the bottle. Cover the body of the bottle with wrapping paper using double sticking tape. Cut out the topics you designed for each bottle. Over here, I've designed for one bottle as grateful, thankful and blessed. The other one is faith, hope and love. I'll be putting quotes and verses related to these topics in each bottle. Now I've designed them in circles. I've cut them out and stuck them onto brown paper bag and using double sticking tape, and again cut them out as you can see, and then fix them on the bottle using double sticking tape. Assign the position for the bottles on the board using double sticking tape. In addition to this, I'll be using silver ribbons to fix the bottle and thread it through the holes in the board. If you're using cardboard, you can make holes in the board and then do this process. Next, take some colored papers and fold it in the middle and then again into half and still smaller. You can fill these papers with inspirational quotes, Bible verses of courage, faith, love, of thankfulness. You can also use this to gift your spouse, parents, children with reasons why you love them and appreciate them. This is a really wonderful gift that you can give on birthdays and anniversaries. For an overall topic, I've put it as say hello to a new day, remembering that each day is a gift from God and we have a new chance and reason to be thankful to God for. I've designed it in an oval shape, cut it out and fixed it onto brown paper, and then I'm gonna put this on my wrapping paper. I'm using my silver ribbon again to attach to the top of the board so I can hang it on a wall. And now for the finishing touch, let's attach the wrapping paper first on the board using double sticking tape, and then our already designed say hello to a new day card on the wrapping paper. And there you go, our treasure is complete. For more videos, subscribe and check out the links given here. Bye, see you soon.